Hi guys. Alright, so what are we working on today? Do you see it? This mess right here. So I'm just going to take you along with me while I organize this whole mess. Let's get on with it. Alright, so everything is officially empty, but let me show you where it has been moved. Some of it was moved up here, but most of it is right. Oops, sorry, I hope I didn't blind you all. So that's where everything is at. Literally everything. So now I have to go through it. Alright, let's do that. this is the final look. Nothing at the bottom. A whole lot better than it did before. And all I did is in this container I put any electrical things, and then my hole punchers are in there. And then in the back I just have 2 electronic things that I want to keep in hand. This one has photo paper, some stamps, and some erasers, and some washi tape. This one has just random things. My envelopes are right here. Envelopes. Some of these, by the way, was a very good buy at Costco. I think they were $10 for 20. And then I have some foam tape. And then in the back, as you can see, I have my planners. And then this is just paper that I have to go through. I did run through a lot of it, but some of it is in here. I have extra inserts for my planner. And then in here I have anything fresh, laminating paper, sticker paper, copy paper, and then at the bottom I have, what is that paper called? Vellum paper. So I have vellum paper at the bottom, and then these folders that I want to keep just in case I need to use them, and then some extra markers. And that is it. The rest of it I will show you. That's what I ended up with, a pile of trash. And that is it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you don't mind, if you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, please thumbs up this video and share it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.